This is John. John's in finance at your company, and he uses Excel to visualize and analyze data. John sometimes works with Jill in marketing, and she likes Tableau exclusively. Meanwhile, Wayne over in sales is most comfortable with Qlik. And your executives? They just want to make quick decisions based on data they can trust. So, how can everyone keep working with their favorite tools while staying aligned with the rest of the company? The answer is Federated Analytics. Here's how it works. Federated Analytics provides a common data glossary, no matter how many sources the data comes from or which tools you use to visualize it. Federated Analytics is built on an enterprise semantic graph, which facilitates a system of record. It indexes disparate data systems, tracks your app usage in real time, and empowers AI and personalized insights. Regardless of which tools they're working with, John, Jill, Wayne, and their CEO can all visualize the same data, get aligned, and make decisions fast. This is a foundation for digital transformation. Sounds great, right? But only one enterprise platform offers Federated Analytics. Guess who? Learn more about Federated Analytics at microstrategy.com/federatedanalytics.